Toy House HD, Toy House HD, it's Toy House HD.
It's little Woodzeez Happy Camper! How cute is this box? Wow! One car and one camper with 38 accessories. Wow! It opens up. How cool is this? Let's see. Are you ready for an adventure?
This car comfortably seats a family of 4. Whoa! Look at that sofa. It folds down so you can take a quick nap. Wow!
The door opens and there's breakfast, lunch, and dinner too.
Wow! Look, you can make pizza. Okay, let's open this up.
Wow! How cool is this?
Look at this car.
Look! There's a happy camper.
Wow! How cool is this?
Okay, we have this out of the box. How cool is this? Wow! Wow, look at these cute little blinds. So, wow, how adorable is this? Looks like you can hide stuff in here. Wow, look at all these stuff and goodies. Whoa!
Look at these dishes. Oh my goodness, and there's apple. There's bread. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, here is the sofa couch. How cool is this? There's a little coffee table.
Here's a little luggage. How adorable is this for when you go traveling?
What's this? Oh, it's an extra wheel! If you pop the tire right here, you can have an extra wheel. Oh my goodness, this is just too cute, too cute. We have these pillowcases. Oh, so cute. And this must be for this giant sofa. It's so comfy. How cool is this? Look at these blinds. Oh, they're so adorable. Wow, look at all these drawers. Oh, look, there's our little pizza oven. Wow, look at these drawers. Oh, look, how cool is this? You know what? I don't know what this is. Let's see. Look, oh, it's a secret compartment. Oh, how cool. And here's a door that opens to the outside. Wow! And here's a skylight, of course. There's the sun in the back. Wow, this is going to be so much fun. Okay, looks like our toys are going on a road trip. Wow, look at that cute little heart. Happy camper. Okay, let's sit tight, but wait a minute. Where's our camper? Okay. Alright, we have to attach this camper to that car. Oh, how cool is this? Oh, cool. Okay, let's go.
Woohoo! Road trip!
Let's set up our camper. Okay, let's put Fluttershy over here. Rainbow Dash.
Oh, it's 9 a.m. Let's have some breakfast.
Let's give them some bread, some jam. We've got more grape flavored jam. 2 bottles of milk. Ooh, yummy, delicious breakfast. And our pilot and flight attendant, they had a long flight, so let's let them have a little nap. Let's put this seat down for Pilot Kitty. Okay, let's take off her luggage. Let's set this down right here. Okay, I think the flight attendant wants to take a nap too.
Okay, let's let them take a little nap.
Okay, let's set out these apples here.
Woohoo, apples!
And here goes Twilight. Hey, Pinkie Pie wants to go to the kitchen.
Oh, I wonder what's in here. We got cans! How cool! Let's take these out. Hey, water's boiling, boiling. Okay, let's put the can in. Okay, let's put the lid back on. dishes. One dish. Two dish. Perfect. Okay, let's let some air in. Let's open up this door. Cool. What is this? Oh, looks like a secret door. I wonder what's under here. I don't know. Let's open it up. Okay, let's see what's inside. Oh, how cool! Looks like we're gonna have a special guest in our camper.
Okay, let's see which SpongeBob character we get. We got SpongeBob! Okay, looks like SpongeBob will be joining us. Okay, looks like our new friend SpongeBob brought a rainbow for our little ponies. Okay, I think our pilot is up from her nap. Yawn. And our flight attendant is up from her nap.
Oh, yawn.
Let's put our special guest here on the couch. Okay, Pinkie Pie?
Soup's ready.
Okay, let's set that right there. Let's put Pinkie Pie right here. Okay, let's not forget our bread. And some more jam. And looks like we have some honey. Looks like Rarity's here. And Rainbow Dash, would you like to sit on the couch? Okay. And let's not forget our Fluttershy. Let's put it right here. Okay, here's our camper. Looks like our toys are going to have a lot of fun hanging out in this camper with all these yummy goodies. And when it's nighttime, they can just open this up and take their pillows out and go to bed. How cool is this? Oh my goodness, this is the cutest camper ever. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe.
Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.
Toy House HD, Toy House HD, it's Toy House HD. Comment, like, and share, and subscribe before you go.